have letter N.
That's noodle.
Double N. Ay double O ang
yeah.
noodles. Asa letter O? Asa letter O? No! I'm using that!
Get talaga letter space.
Hala! Tita, wala'y noodle. Ay, excuse! Hala! Wala lagi letter O. Asa letter O, duha?
Letter O here.
Wait.
You're not copy. Hindi mo ko gano'n.
Sa birthday man ako. Maghilak-hilak pag yun nga di mo birthday. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, no.
Nice, very nice. Tita, nai noodles charm?
I
Ay,
ate to me.
I'm using the heart. I don't have letters. I'm using the heart, Mom. You don't need letters. I already used the letter. Wait, before we put the yum, I have to put the heart at the first. And we have to put the heart at this.